Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Thomas, the owner of Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor. And this is one of my side quest videos, just to kind of show y'all what the behind the scenes looks like from event designing and planning. I'm in my storage right now. I look a mess. These are just regular house clothes. I'm up here on my day off to try to get things situated and back organized or in a decent place to where when it's time to pull things for my next event, I'm able to just come in here and grab what I need. So there are some things that I need to go through, and then like my linen, I'm gonna show y'all in a second what my storage is looking like. Hold on. So this is what my storage is looking like right now. I got 2 events worth of things that I need to put up, and you can't see it, but there's my black love seat is back there stacked up on the side with my red napkins and white napkins. That was from my red, black, and white event. I haven't put that one up. And then, of course, my 40 Shades of Green event. I took the balloons from the venue because they had already swept. I didn't want to pop the balloons. Put them in the back of the U-Haul and brought them here. I told my wife we'll deal with them later. And I was also interested in seeing how long they would last and hold up. And they've held up pretty well. I just FaceTimed my wife and I showed her. The only thing I would really need to do is put them jokers back up and spray some balloon shine on them, and they will literally be as good as new. So this is the Party Woo balloon brand. For those of you who are not balloon specialists like I am, this is a great brand to buy. The only thing I have issues with is the gold balloons. I got to tell the truth about those because I think I've ordered those a few times, and when I was blowing them up, they were coning, and if you know what coning is, it's like they stretch long and then I had to let it out and retry it. So they gave me a few issues, but it won't like I couldn't deal with it because as you can see, I was able to get it like I needed it. But I had some extra gold balloons. I'm thinking that these are the ones that I had extra at the house. I think I had a pack of like 9-inch balloons, maybe like 20 left that I hadn't used yet, so I incorporated them. That's why these 2 look a little bit different, but when I set it up for the event, you really couldn't even tell. So they look pretty good. Whatever's been oxidized is oxidized, but whatever's been covered up still looks good. So I'm gonna take those out. And then over here, I didn't show y'all this when I did it, but my linen, I took all of my linen from over here. All of my linen was lined up like over here, over there. I brought it over here because I wanted to see what I had. This is a part of Operation Stop Buying Stuff That You Already Have. And I know I've alluded to this in the last few videos that I needed to stop doing that. So that was part of that operation. But I need to get access back to my tables because I do use those. And then I want to get this stuff organized and straightened up. So we're going to see how that goes. I don't have nothing but time today. So I'm going to see how I can work that out. I got a bunch of empty totes that I need to take stuff out. Not take stuff out, put stuff in. I really would rather have clear totes, so I'm going to go for those first. And then I have to put this stuff up from these events. Linen, curtains, drapes, centerpieces, all of this stuff has a place. And then I got chargers back here that are on one of my cocktail tables that I need to take down or out or off. I'm thinking about moving these chairs right here to my other storage unit. I'm going to show y'all my other unit. Hold on. If I can get them in here. This is my other unit. Only thing I keep in this unit right now is my chairs. And as you can see, this is a 10 by 15, I think. It's not a 10 by 10 because it's not perfectly square. It's 10 feet across, 15 feet back. So what you're looking at is 150 plus chairs that are over here. For those of you who were here for that video, my kids' throne chair. Now that I'm thinking about it, I ain't did no kids event in a minute, which I'm okay with because I like baby showers better. Then I got my egg chairs over here. I'm gonna be using that for the next event. Then I have my numbers that are back here. So I don't even know where I could really put those chairs. I'm gonna try to figure something out because I want to free up space in there. But if not, it's okay, they're fine in there. But yeah, I had to end up getting 2 units because God has just increased. He's enlarged my territory like he said he would. So I'm gonna put y'all down and let y'all see what I'm doing. Just going through everything and whatnot, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure you have not subscribed already and you've been back and forth a few times. Go ahead and click subscribe, notification bell, and y'all enjoy this content. Stay tuned for the rest of this video. So it took me about an hour and 50 minutes to get through everything, to sort, get reorganized, put up 3 different events and a little backdrop, whatever, and sort through what I needed for my next event. So I got all my drapes. Y'all saw me pulling them out. I got all my drapes for the event. I don't have to order any more of them. I think I'm gonna go with these chargers or these placemats right here. And then for the other items like the filler items and tables, centerpieces and whatnot, I'm gonna use some of the whatnots I have. I have some stuff that I ordered and picked up from other locations, so I'll share that with y'all in another video. And I'm gonna have to move these balloons back in here, only because I don't have either my balloon striker or safety pin to bust them. I'm just gonna throw them in here, and then I'm interested to see how much more longer them moves will hold up. So we'll see about that. And then over here, I took everything off of these tables, but I put them in totes. I think I'm gonna leave them right there for now until I get some more shelving to put them on. Right here is all of my rectangular and my Payette tablecloths and sequin tablecloths, my linen. And then right here is all of my round tablecloth. This is everything. So event stuff prepped and ready. I got some items that I'm taking home. I'm gonna take that tote home because I don't see me using it for anything else, and I use it in my storage outside at the house. Napkins, linen, everything. So let me get out of here, y'all. I've been here long enough. Make sure you go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch y'all next week.